Many people struggle with prescription affordability, and only a few people know that there is an easy way to obtain prescription medication at an affordable price. What if I told you that a drug you currently pay $216 for a 30-day supply of could be just $6? How is this possible? Well, according to a press release by the Mark Cuban Cost Plus Drug Company, their strategy behind offering lower prices to consumers is to bypass middlemen and outrageous markups. We are excited to share the details. Mark Cuban recently launched an online pharmacy. This is just one more way that Cuban is making an impact on the world of business. He has had success as an entrepreneur and investor, and is adding the healthcare industry to his list of accomplishments. Making it easier for people to access high-quality healthcare can positively impact individuals and society. If you aren't familiar with Mark Cuban, he is the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, one of the sharks on Shark Tank, and, according to Wikipedia, is an American billionaire entrepreneur, television personality, and media proprietor whose net worth is an estimated $4.8 billion, according to Forbes, and ranked number 177 on the 2020 Forbes 400 list. According to information on its website, Cost Plus Drugs fills and delivers prescriptions at our cost plus a fixed 15% margin. Prescriptions are fulfilled by our URAC mail and specialty accredited facilities. We ship prescriptions to patients nationwide with a seamless consumer experience. Cost Plus Drugs is available to consumers directly or through our employer-sponsored programs. To date, we have nearly 1,000 of the most highly utilized and/or most high-cost generic medications in our pharmacy, and we are working hard to increase this to well over 1,500 generic medications in the next 6 months. We are also working with trade name manufacturers to add both single-source brands and specialty biologics to our pharmacy. Cost Plus Drugs started when a man by the name of Alex Oshmiansky sent Mark Cuban an email. Oshmiansky says, "I met Mark in a cold email that I sent to him on a whim. He is a genuinely good dude who likes people." Oshmiansky had a nonprofit to help those who could not afford prescription drugs. "I had seen enough patients have bad health outcomes and could not afford their medicines," he said. Cuban was impressed with Oshmiansky's pitch and agreed to support him. Cuban changed the company name and hired Oshmiansky as the CEO. Cuban hopes to make it easier and more convenient for people to access the medications they need, while also providing them with competitive prices. This new pharmacy is in operation today and offers generic drugs at highly discounted rates. By using the website costplusdrugs.com, customers are able to shop for their medications online and have them delivered right to their door. The pharmacy will also provide personalized consultation services for customers who need extra help understanding their medication regimen or selecting the right product for their health needs. Cuban is confident that his new venture will revolutionize how people access and purchase prescription medications while making healthcare more affordable and accessible. He believes that this type of service will be beneficial to both customers and healthcare providers alike. With Cuban's online pharmacy, people can get the medications they need without having to spend a fortune on them. This could lead to improved health outcomes for individuals and cost savings for employers and insurers. His mission is to ensure everyone has access to the medications they require to live healthy lives. We can only wait and see how successful his venture will be, but it's certainly a step in the right direction for improving healthcare. Cuban's online pharmacy could be a game changer for people who need access to affordable and reliable medications. It is an exciting development that can revolutionize healthcare as we know it. So, what's up next for Cuban's latest venture? Well, according to their website, soon, we'll make medications ourselves. American drug manufacturing capacity is in shortage after the trend of many pharmaceutical facilities moving offshore. We're building a state-of-the-art pharmaceutical facility in Dallas, Texas, where we'll produce our own high-quality medicines at the lowest possible prices. We can't wait to see what he is able to do. If you have a money-related topic you would like us to cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.